Happy Nurses Week, a time when we take a moment to thank you, our amazing nursing faculty, staff, alumni, and students, for your work, commitment, and compassion. And that's because at UNM, we know the power of nurses. We know the power of your care, and we are even more grateful for the power of your compassion. We're very proud of our nursing programs, many of which rank among the very best in the nation. There are already more than 1,200 students enrolled in our nursing programs, and we're constantly working to provide even more new and accessible routes to becoming nurses, whether that's a certificate program or a PhD. However you want to help others, we want to help you achieve that goal. And speaking of goals, as an institution, the first goal of our UNM 2040 plan is to advance New Mexico. That's why we're always working hard to meet the increasing demands for great healthcare providers in every community across our state, advancing New Mexico with the unique Lobo brand of compassionate care. Nursing is a critical part of caring for our state, and we are so fortunate that 92% of our recent nursing graduates have chosen to stay in our state. We need you in our communities more than ever, and not just now, but in the coming years when your services and skills will be vital to the continued health and success of our state. You are so often the face of UNM's healthcare system, the first person people see when they ask for help, and we couldn't be prouder to have you as our healthcare ambassadors, representing our programs and our university with such great skill, care, and dignity. We are grateful to you, not just this week, but every week. Thank you for your care, for your commitment, and your compassion. Happy Nurses Week, and more power to you.